Po, are you even listening?
Old Man Eldon gave me this. It's about the Whispering Waterfall.
Whispering? Like, my tummy is whispering for more buns?
I knew you'd say that. Let's go.
No.
The legend says it grants one wish to anyone who can solve its riddle, but it's gone mysteriously silent. Hey, Pooh, are you sure this is the right way? These trees look like they're staring at me.
Don't be silly, Po. Eldon's map says we have to go through the Tickle Me flower fields.
No whispering means no wish, means no never-ending buns.
Stop it! That tickles.
Pooh, help me.
Come on, big guy. The waterfall is waiting.
Halt! None shall pass my rickety-rackety bridge without first answering my riddle. I have cities, but no houses. I have mountains, but no trees. I have water, but no fish. What am I? I wish I had a map to a giant picnic lunch. That's it. The answer is a map. You've solved it, Panda. You may cross. Po, you're a genius.
Huh? Did someone say brunch? This is it, the Whispering Waterfall. But there's no whispering.
No whispering means no wish, means no never-ending buns.
Po, do that again.
It's not a spoken riddle, it's a musical one.
The whispering is a song, and it looks like someone played it in the wrong order.
Po, look. This is the melody. We have to tap the stones in this order. You take the big ones, I'll take the small ones.
Tapping rocks? I can do that. Especially if lunch is involved. Whoops! Sorry, rock number 3.
It's okay. Let's try again. A little slower. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, little ones. You have returned my song.
I wish there will always be new mysteries to solve with my very best friend.
And I wish I had a warm basket of steamed buns to share with you right now.
Hooray!
Oh, wow.
Pooh, that was the best bun ever. Where do you think this new path leads?
Hopefully to a kitchen full of more buns.
All right. But if we find another riddle, I hope the answer is sandwich. Hello there. Is something wrong?
Oh, hello. Our village is in trouble. The harvest has failed, and we don't have enough food for the coming winter.
Not enough food? That's the saddest thing I've ever heard.
There's a legend of a lost star that fell on the peak long ago. Its light is said...
Don't you worry, Mila. We'll help you. We're gonna find that lost star.
You will?
You will? For adventure, and for the field mice.
And maybe the star is made of rock candy. Let's go!
Whoa. Is a storm coming?
I didn't pack my storm watching snacks.
It's not a storm, Poe.
It's
Strange. The wind is only coming from right ahead.
It's a cloud. A sleeping cloud.
He looks very grumpy. He must be having a bad dream, probably one with no buns in it.
Be quiet, trying to sleep, so noisy.
We can't get past without waking him. But if we wake him, we might get blown off the mountain.
Poe, you were right. He's not just grumpy, he's a restless sleeper. That tune, it's a lullaby. Let's sing for him.
Go to sleep, giant cloud in the sky. Let your stormy dreams drift.
We made it.
Now, where's this star? I don't see any shiny rocks.
Poe, come here. I think I found it. It's not a rock. It's alive.
Hello, little fella. You look awfully sad.
Poe, I get it now. It's not sick. It's lonely. It misses its home in the sky. We can't take it with us. We have to help it.
Almost there. We just need one more tine reflective piece for the eyepiece.
Will this work? Thank you. We'll take good care of it.
Now I'm done.
Stay happy, little star buddy. Think of us sometimes when you're looking down from the sky.
They're back! Our heroes are back! I don't know how we can ever thank you. You brought the magic back.
It wasn't magic, Mila. It was just a friend who was lonely and needed a little help to be happy again.
Friendship?
Friendship.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
That was a great adventure, wasn't it, Pooh?
It was, Poe. A very great adventure.
A long but rewarding journey, wasn't it, Pooh? I can still taste those berry cakes.
Very rewarding, Poe. Not just for the...
I wish I could sleep on that mountaintop. Or maybe in a well of buns.
Always thinking of food, Poe.
Every day is a new adventure.
How vast the world truly is.
Morning. I am starving. Pooh, do you think we should go find something to eat? Maybe there's a hidden noodle